When your car starts acting sluggish and you're mashing the gas pedal but feel like you're towing an invisible trailer, that's a classic symptom of a clogged catalytic converter. You might think it's the engine's fault, but it's really just choking on its own exhaust. Another dead giveaway is when your check engine light comes on and stays there like an unsolicited guest. The onboard computer might throw codes for catalyst efficiency below threshold or something equally vague. Don't ignore it. Those codes are basically your car crying uncle. Sometimes the engine will run hotter than usual, maybe even to the point of overheating. This happens because the exhaust gases can't escape fast enough, so they turn your engine bay into a sauna. Not exactly ideal for anyone planning a road trip. If you ever notice your fuel efficiency dropping faster than your bank account on rent day, that's a pain point you shouldn't overlook. The engine has to work harder to push exhaust through a clogged converter, and you end up burning way more gas than normal, sometimes 10 to 20% more. There's also a particular sound that comes with a clogged converter, a subtle rattling coming from underneath the car, especially when you start it up or rev the engine. If your car starts sounding like a maraca at a mariachi concert, pay attention. Acceleration takes a serious hit too. You might find yourself cautiously merging onto the highway and realizing you have about as much power as a bicycle. Not only annoying, it's a safety issue if you can't get up to speed. Another symptom is an irregular or rough idle. The engine might sputter or shake, making your car feel uncannily like it's learning to tap dance for the first time. If the idle is rough and you can't figure out why, this could be it. Sometimes a clogged catalytic converter causes the smell of rotten eggs, sulfur, from the exhaust. It's unpleasant, but honestly, it's a better warning system than half the dashboard lights. If your car smells like a science experiment gone wrong, you know what to look for. If you have trouble starting your car or it stalls out repeatedly at stoplights, that's a huge signal you shouldn't ignore. The back pressure from a clogged converter makes the engine work twice as hard just to keep running, never mind moving. For those who try to pass their emissions tests, a clogged converter is almost guaranteed to trigger a fail. If your numbers come back higher than a typical Portland rent payment, the converter is a likely culprit. That headache isn't going away on its own. The step-by-step fix typically starts with a diagnostic scan. Those OBD2 scanners you can rent for $30 are your friend. If you see codes related to fuel trims or catalytic efficiency, it's time for a closer inspection. Pro tip: sometimes you can tap on the converter with a rubber mallet to hear if it rattles, indicating broken internals. The big value here? Catching this sooner saves you potentially thousands on future repairs, not to mention avoiding dangerous stalls in traffic. If you notice 2 or more of these symptoms, don't just cross your fingers. Schedule a checkup and keep your exhaust flowing as intended.